Welcome back, students. So we'll continue with a few more sums based on surface area and volume of cones, and then we'll start sphere and hemisphere today. So first of all, few more sums. So the first sum for today, the height of a cone is 15 centimeter and the volume is 1570 centimeter cube. Find the radius. Now in this question they have given that pi is equal to 3.14. Okay. So they have given the value of pi that we must take is 3.14 and the height is given 15 and you have to find the radius. So first of all, you know the formula for volume of a cone is 1 upon 3 pi r square h. The volume is given 1570 is equal to 1 upon 3 into pi is 3.14 into r square and the height is 15 centimeter. The height of the cone is given 15 centimeter. So if you remove the decimal, there will be 100 over here. 3 5s are 15. Okay. So 1570 is equal to, you multiply 314 by 5. Like this. Okay. Now this 1570 is cancelled. R square is equal to 100. So R will be equal to under root 100. That is 10 centimeters. So the answer is 10 centimeters. The radius of the cone is 10 centimeters. Clear? Now the next question. In the next question, height of the cone is given 9 centimeter and the volume is given 48 pi centimeter cube. See, the volume is given 48 pi centimeter cube. Find the diameter. Find the diameter of the base. So what we do, we know the formula for volume of a cone is 1 upon 3 pi r square h. Now the volume is given 48 pi is equal to 1 upon 3 into pi into r square into h is given 9. Now you see this pi is cancelled, 3 3s are 9, by 3 if you cancel 16. So r square is 16, then r is equal to under root 16, that is 4 centimeter. So the radius is 4 centimeter, but they want the diameter. So you know that diameter is 2 times the radius. That is 2 into 4, that is 8 centimeter. So the diameter of the base will be 8 centimeters. Clear? Now, the next question. The next question is, diameter of a conical pit is 3.5 meter and it is 12 meter deep. Find the capacity of the pit in kiloliters. You have to find the capacity, that is the volume, in kiloliters. Now what we do, this is the pit. They have given the diameter to be 3.5. You know the radius is diameter upon 2. That is 3.5 by 2 meter, or you can say 350 upon 2 centimeter, because to convert meter into centimeter we multiply it by 100. Now, and the height is given, that is the depth here. Depth is 12 meter, or you can say 1200 centimeter. This is 12 meter and this is 3.5 by 2 meter. Now capacity is nothing but the volume, that is 1 upon 3 pi r square h. 1 upon 3 pi is 22 by 7. R is 350 upon 2. So 350 upon 2 into 350 upon 2, and the h is 1200. So this is my answer in centimeter cube. As I have converted all the data given into centimeters, so the volume is in centimeter cube. Now see, 3, here it is 400, then 2 into 2 4, so it is 100 only, then it is 50. Okay, so 1100 into 35000, this much centimeter cube. So you divide it by 1000, so you will get your answer in liters. I told you in a previous question that in 1 liter there are 1000 centimeter cube. That means to convert centimeter cube into liters we have to divide it by 1000. So this is the volume in liters. So it is equal to 38500 liters. But now the question is that we have to give the answer in kiloliters, means we have to divide it by 1000 again. So 38.5 kiloliter. That is your answer. The capacity of that conical pit will be 38.5 kiloliter. Okay. Now the sphere. So in day-to-day life we see many objects of spherical shape. For example, a football is a sphere. Now in 2-dimensional sphere will look like a circle, and let the radius is r. Now very simple, there is no height in a sphere because from all dimensions is the same. Now the radius is r. So the volume of a sphere, the formula for volume of a sphere is 4 by 3 pi r cube. As no height is there, so in the formula you won't get h. The volume of the sphere will be 4 by 3 pi r cube. Again, the derivation of this formula is not in your syllabus. So volume is 4 by 3 pi r cube, and the surface area. The surface area. Now in cylinder or in cone, we have studied curved surface area and total surface area separately, but here only the surface area, because the entire surface is curved. No flat surface is there, So there is no point of curved surface area and total surface area. The entire surface is curved, so we call it surface area. And the formula for surface area of a sphere is 4 pi r square. The formula for surface area of a sphere is 4 pi r square. Clear? Now, if a sphere is cut by a plane from the middle so that the plane passes through its center, then the solid that is obtained like this, it is called the hemisphere. Okay, this is called the hemisphere. If you cut a sphere from the center by a plane such that the plane passes through the center of the sphere, then the whatever solid you obtain is called a hemisphere. Now, in case of a hemisphere, the volume will be the half of the volume of the entire sphere, which is 4 by 3 pi r cube. Half of that will be 2 by 3 pi r cube. So the volume is 2 by 3 pi r cube. The volume of a hemisphere is 2 by 3 pi r cube. Now, curved surface area. Now, why curved surface area? Because if you pay attention, you will see now there is a flat surface on which it is kept. So now there is a flat surface. So the curved surface area and the total surface area will be different now. So the curved surface area will be half of the surface area of the entire sphere, that is 2 pi r square, that is the curved surface area, and the total surface area will be 2 pi r square plus pi r square, that is 3 pi r square. The total surface area of a hemisphere will be 3 pi r square, because the curved surface area is 2 pi r square and the area of the base is pi r square. So when you add, then it will be 3 pi r square. Is it clear? Now, these are the formulas that we are going to use in the questions based on spheres and hemispheres. So we'll start with the questions. Question is, find the surface area of a sphere if r is equal to 7 centimeter. So I told you the formula for surface area of a sphere is 4 pi r square. So 4 into 22 by 7 into 7 into 7. 1 7 is cancelled, so it is 88 into 7. (616 centimeter square is your answer. The answer is 616 centimeter square. Now, next question, and the next question is, find the curved surface area, find the curved surface area and total surface area of a hemisphere of radius 21 centimeter. Now the radius is given 21 centimeter and you have to find the curved surface area and total surface area. So the curved surface area, now the curved surface area of a hemisphere is 2 pi r square, you know that, 2 into 22 by 7 into 21 into 21, because the radius is given 21. Now, (132 into 21). (2772) centimeter square. That is the curved surface area. And now the total surface area. The total surface area is 3 pi r square. So 3 into 22 by 7 into 21 into 21. 198 into 21. Four one five eight. It is 4158. 4158 centimeter square. Clear? The total surface area will be 4158 centimeter square. Okay? So this is the answer for curved surface area and total surface area. Now the next one. Find the surface area of a sphere of radius 5.6 centimeter. Now they have given that the radius is 5.6 centimeter and you have to find the surface area. So I told you the surface area of a sphere is 4 pi r square, that is 4 into 22 by 7 into 5.6 into 5.6. Okay, now we can cancel it by 7. So 22 into 3.2 into 5.6. 22 into 3.2 into 5.6. So when we multiply, seventy point four into 5.6. $394.24. It is 394.24 centimeter square, and that is your answer. 394.24 centimeter square. Clear? Next question. Find the total surface area of a hemisphere of radius 10 centimeter. They have given that for pi you put 3.14. So total surface area of a hemisphere, you know, it is 3 pi r square. I told you that total surface area of a hemisphere is 3 pi r square. So 3 into 3.14 into 10 square will be what? 100. So it is 3 into 314. 942 centimeter square is your answer. The answer is 942 centimeter square. Next question. Next question. Radius of a balloon increases from 7 centimeter to 14 centimeter. Find the ratio of the surface area in two cases. So original surface area, let it be A1, 4 pi r square. 4, don't have to put the value of pi because when we find out the ratio, the pi will be cancelled. 7 square, that is 4 into pi into 49, and 4 into 49 will be 196. So it is 196 pi centimeter square. New surface area, let it be A2. Once again we will apply the formula 4 pi r square, 4 pi, and this time it is 14 square because now the new radius is 14 centimeter. So 14 square. So 4 pi 14 square is 196. Okay. So 4 into 196 into pi centimeter square is the new surface area. Now you have to find the ratio A1 upon A2. So A1 upon A2 means 196 pi upon 4 into 196 into pi. Pi gets cancelled, 196 gets cancelled, 1 upon 4. So the answer is 1:4. So the ratio will be 1:4. When the radius becomes 14 from 7, the ratio of the surface area will be 1:4. Clear? Now the next question. Next question is a hemispherical bowl is made of brass. The inner diameter is 10.5 centimeter. Find the cost of tin plating it on the inside at the rate of rupees 16 per 100 centimeter square. Rupees 16 per 100 centimeter square. Now see, inner radius will be diameter upon 2, that is 10.5 upon 2 centimeter. Now curved surface area, because obviously in a bowl the flat portion is missing, so the curved surface area will be equal to 2 pi r square, as it is hemispherical, and the curved surface area of a hemisphere is 2 pi r square. So 2 into 22 by 7 into r square, that is 10.5 by 2 into 10.5 by 2. Okay, now we can cancel 2 here and another 2 from here. If you remove both the decimals, then you will get 100 here. Okay, now so it is 165 into 105 upon 100. We can cancel it by 5. Again we can cancel it by 5. So 33 into 21 upon 4 centimeters square. Cost of tin plating 100 centimeters square is rupees 16. Cost for 100 centimeters square is equal to rupees 16. Cost for 1 centimeter square will be rupees 16 upon 100. We are using unitary method here, you can see. So cost for 33 into 21 upon 4 centimeters square will be equal to rupees 16 by 100 into 33 into 21 upon 4. 33 into 21 upon 4. Clear? Now we can cancel it by 4. One 32 into 21 upon 100. So first of all, you multiply 132 and 21. Which is 2772 upon 100. So rupees 27.72. Rupees 27.72 will be your answer. The cost will be rupees 27.72. The cost of tin plating will be rupees 27.72. Clear? Now the next question. The next question is, if the surface area of a sphere is 154 centimeters square, then find its radius. Find its radius. Now you know that the formula for surface area of a sphere is 4 pi r square. So it is given that the surface area is 154. So 154 is equal to 4, pi is 22 by 7, and r we have to find. So r square is equal to 154 into 7 upon 4 into 22. Clear? First of all, you cancel it by 2. Again by 11. So now in the numerator we have 49 by 4. So r will be equal to under root 49 by 4. Square root of 49 is 7. Square root of 4 is 2. So it is 3.5 centimeter. So the radius is 3.5 centimeter. We have found that the radius of the sphere is 3.5 centimeter. Clear? Now the next question. Find the volume of a sphere of radius 0.63 meter. Find the volume of a radius, find the volume of a sphere of radius 0.63 meter. Now the volume of a sphere is given by 4 by 3 pi r cube. You know that? So it is 4 by 3, pi is 22 by 7, and the r is 0.63 means 63 by 100. 63 by 100 into 63 by 100 into 63 by 100. Clear? Now, like this, 88 into 189 into 63 meter cube. Okay. Now first of all multiply 189 by 88. This is 16632 and then multiplied by 63. So it is 1047816, and then you have to put the decimal after 6 digits. So 1.047816 meter cube will be the volume of the sphere. 1.047816 meter cube is the volume of the sphere. Now, next question, find the volume of water displaced by a solid sphere of diameter of diameter 0.21 meter. Radius is equal to diameter upon 2, that is 0.21 upon 2 meter. Now you know that whenever a solid is put in a liquid, then it displaces liquid equal to its own volume. So volume of water displaced will be equal to volume of the sphere, which is equal to 4 by 3 pi r cube, which is equal to 4 by 3, 22 by 7, and the r is 21 upon 200 into 21 upon 200 into 21 upon 200, because if you remove the decimal there will be a 100 in the denominator, so it is 21 upon 200. Now you see 7 into 3, 21 cancelled, 50 here, and then like this. Okay, so in the denominator we will have 1, then 6 zeros are there, and we have 11 into 21 into 21 is 441. So first of all, you multiply 441 by 11. .4851, and then you have to put the decimal after 6 digits. Meter cube. This is your answer. 0.004851 meter cube. This is your answer. Clear? Now the next question. Next question is, how many liters of milk? How many liters of milk can a hemispherical bowl of diameter 10.5 centimeter hold? So the diameter is given 10.5 centimeter. So the radius will be diameter upon 2, that is 10.5 by 2 centimeter. Now volume of the hemisphere is 2 by 3 pi r cube. So it is 2 by 3, 22 by 7 into 105 by 20 into 105 by 20 into 105 by 20 centimeter cube. Okay. Now this is 10. This is also 10. This is 15, 5, 5 fours are 20. So in the denominator we have 400, and in the numerator we have 11 into 105 into 105 centimeter cube. Okay. Now first of all you cancel it by 5. Again by 5. Now 21 into 21 is 441. So first of all 441 into 11 you multiply. .4851. 4851 upon 16 centimeter cube. But in the question they are saying you have to give your answer in liters. So I told you to convert centimeter cube into liters, we have to divide it by 1000. So it will be 4851 upon 16,000 liters. Okay, that is your answer. We can divide it. So it is almost 0.3031 liters. That is your answer. Clear? So I hope whatever sums I discussed today is clear to you. So we'll continue with few more sums in the next class.